One great feature that iMovie has is the voiceover feature. On the far left of your timeline, you'll see the camera and the microphone. The microphone allows you to use the device to voice over any part of your movie. You can either layer it on top of another audio track or create your own track. When you click on the microphone, you'll see a soundbar appear. When you hit the record button, it will count down from 3, and then when it hits 0, you can start to talk and record what you'd like to put in your project. As you're recording, the video will play through, and you'll notice a red bar start to highlight all of your video clips. That means that's where your voiceover is going to be located. When you record somewhere on a video clip, it really doesn't matter exactly where you record because you can actually move that audio clip wherever you would like. When you are done recording, you can hit stop and you'll have some different options. You can either cancel the voiceover, you can retake it, which deletes your previous recording and allows you to retake a new one. You can review it, which allows you to listen to what you just did, or you can accept it. If you push accept, it will automatically upload that voiceover into your project. Being able to work with audio on your project will enhance your project and make it look more professional.